And this year's award for the best picture goes to... You want to open it? No? Okay, I'll open it. Come on. Come on, man. What's happening? I'm trying, okay? Like a big package. Right, so there's an envelope. And the award goes to... tape. And the award this year goes to Shape of Water! Yay! Thank you, thank you, thank you. I didn't know I was going to win an Oscar, so I only prepared a small speech, you know. Who knows, they're going to get Oscars, so... Anyway, I brought a small something with me that I could read while I'm here. Don't want to leave anything to chance. Growing up in India, I was a really big fan of foreign things, you know. Oil, vast land, cheap labor. No, actually, money was the foreign thing we loved the most. My mom used to call it the UFO because we'd see it in the distance and then poof, it was gone. I didn't see it, he didn't see it, she didn't see it. A few weeks ago, I called my dear friend, Sweden soda burger and fries. He told me, when you get off the stage after winning, you'll leave a jealousy behind. Man, could you stop peeling that orange? And let me focus. I'm scared of public speaking as it is. So where was I? Oh yes. I want to dedicate this to Sally, Michael, Richard, Stuart, Octavia, Michael too. We have two of them. Doug, David, Nick, Nigel, Lauren, Martin, Allegra, John, Morgan, and Anton. Charlie, Jonathan, Kelsey, Fred, Lexi, Victor, Ron, Amy, Stephen, John, Clancy, Cole, Lena, David, and of course, his dog. I never thought this would happen to me. Neither did my mom, or my dad, or my teachers, or the lollipop lady that helped me cross the road every morning. You know, she always had that look in her eyes. Everyone that is dreaming of making it big one day, get drunk. Eat lots of pizza. Make movies about fish making out. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you like, comment, and share if you want to see more of these videos. If you don't, still like, comment, and share so I can make something slightly different and take it from a different angle. See you next week.